Two friends, Jack and Sam, sitting in a cafe discussing money. Meet Jack and Sam. They both want to grow their money, but they have different approaches. Let's see who succeeds by using smart money tactics. 1. Follow market trend early. Jack read about electric cars. Sam ignoring it. Jack read about electric cars becoming popular and invest earlier. Sam ignore it. 2. Watch market signals. Jack noticed a company profits are rising and buy its stock. Sam does not pay attention. 3. Diversify investments. Jack invests in stock, real estate, and crypto. Sam put all his money in one stock. Jack spread his money across different investments. Sam puts everything in one stock. 4. Buy low and sell high. Jack buys stock during market dips. Sam buy when the prices are high. Jack buy when the price drop, and Sam buy when everyone else is buying at high price. 5. Use advanced research. Jack analyze a company financial report. Sam is guessing. Jack check company earnings before investing. Sam pick stock based on humor. 6. Invest in what you understand. Jack invest in a company he knows well, but Sam buy a random crypto coin. Jack invests in a company he understand, and Sam buy crypto without researching. 17. Have an exit strategies. Jack sets a target price. Sam uphold to a falling stock. Jack decide when to sell before buying. Sam hold a losing stock, hoping it will recover. 8. Learn from losses. Jack refuse past mistake. Sam blame bad luck. Jack learn from his past losses, and Sam blame the market. 9. Follow big investors. Jack checking warrant investment. Sam follow random social media tips. Jack study successful investors. Sam follow random online tips. 10. Be patient. Jack hold investments long time. Sam sell too soon. Jack hold good investments for years. Sam sell quickly for small profit. 11. Use AI. Use technology and AI. Jack use an investment app. Sam suggesting market trend. Jack use smart investment to Sam guess market trend. 12. Avoid emotional decision. Jack stayed calm. Sam panicking during market drop. Jack stay calm during market dips, and Sam panic and sell at a lose. 13. Reversed profit. Jack reversed divided. Sam spent all his gain. Jack reinvests his profits. Sam spent them on luxury items. 14. Understand tax implication. Jack research tax saving strategy. Sam ignore tatcics. Jack plan his investment to save on tax. Sam gets surprised by huge tax bill. 15. Take advantage of market crashes. Jack buy more stock in a market crash. Sam sell everything. Jack buy during crash. Sam sell everything in fear. 16. Use dollar costing averaging. Jack invests the same amount monthly. Sam invests randomly. Jack sets a fixed amount every month, and Sam only invests when he feels it is right. 17. Keep cash reserve. Jack save for new opportunities. Sam save no extra money. Jack always keep extra cash ready. Sam has no money left when a great opportunity comes. 18. Invest in yourself. Jack take an investment course. Sam is watching reality TV. Jack learn new skills about money. Sam waste time on entertainment. 19. Think like a business owner. Jack analyze how a company makes money. Sam invests in what without thinking. Jack study businesses before investing. Sam investing without understanding them. 20. Still discipline. Jack follows strategy. Sam changing plans constantly. Jack stick to his plan. Sam change his strategies every week. Jack wealth grow. Sam realize his mistake. Year later, Jack wealth has grown significantly. Sam regretting not be disciplined. The choice is yours. Do what you want to be. With this smart money tax, you can start using it today. Let us know in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe.